there's not enough foremen anymore. Each crew on a job site doesn't have an experienced professional managing them. At the end of the day, they'll report to the foreman. Mind you, he's got multiple crews. So he may have 3, 4, 5 crews, maybe even more. So that foreman has to sit down and take inventory of what's been done, what's been accomplished, what needs to be done. And so at the end of the day, he's making the plan for the next day. The problem is, how does he communicate that effectively to his people that need to go to the job the next morning? But SIG 2 allows for those foremen to have a simple utility where they can communicate effectively. This could be very powerful for any leaders to be able to sit down at the end of the day and plan what needs to be communicated. You can pinpoint the location of where the job site is on a map, and then you can send that communication out to all the different workers. And then when they're arriving to the job site, that message is read to them over their phone, and they get that reminder right when they need it, right at the right time.
It changes everything. SIG 2 is a communication utility for anyone who is managing operations and needs to communicate with people in the field in a timely manner. This completely removes the headache of trying to figure out when is the right time to get a hold of this person. Are they going to hear the message, or are they going to read the message at the right time? You can set up a message in the field, and every single time a person is entering that area, they will hear the information that's relevant to them in context. Suddenly it opens up this whole new dimension of efficiency. It makes such a material difference. It's inconceivable to not have that now that we know it's possible.
Plan what needs to be communicated. Without fail, something comes up in the morning. So the foreman or the superintendent are doing crisis management. They don't have time to communicate effectively with the people that need to hear what needs to be done that day. So what happens then? SIG 2 is a simple utility to communicate effectively at the right time to help foremen and superintendents and any leaders to be able to sit down at the end of the day or sit down at the beginning of the week and plan what needs to be communicated. You can pinpoint the location of where the job site is on a map, and then you can send that communication out to all the different workers. And then when they're arriving to the job site, that message is read to them over their phone from text to voice. It's efficient communication because it's at the location they need to hear it as they're starting to focus on going to the job site, and they get that reminder right when they need it, right at the right time.